Okay, I want to give you an update on this repair that I had. Okay, I'm pointing at it right there. If you can see that or not. That's the JB Weld that I put on there about a month ago. And I just wanted to do an update. It's holding strong. It looks to be like a solid piece of the metal that it's attached to. It's like a solid piece of steel attached to the side of the frame right there. But it seems like it's holding well. It's been about 5 weeks, not 4 weeks, but I haven't had any issues with it. I used the same JB Weld. It was like a steel stick on the engine, and when I put it on there, it became like part of the block, the engine block. And this is kind of similar. This is like a mount that's holding my tailpipe to the side of the bottom of the car. But it's holding well. So I just like to show it to you and show you that the JB Weld product is holding up pretty good.